Have you ever gone Lapinose with your friends?
No, I have only ordered that pizza at my home. I've never been to Lapinus and sitting over there.
So, as you said, you like Lapinose pizza.
No, I have said that I like the Lapinus pizza, but I used to order the pizza at my home, na.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you ordered Lapinose pizza at your.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, if, suppose that if your mother is not at home and there is no one to cook food for you, so how can you feed you?
Both
How can you
situation.
feed yourself?
How can you feed yourself?
Sir, it depends on my situation that if I don't want to eat the junk food, na, so I used to make my healthy food. Like I used to go gym, so I used to consume a large amount of protein. So I used to watch the recipes on YouTube and make my food at home. And apart from that, if I want to eat junk food or any type of other food, na, if I want that food at that time, na, so I used to order.
When somebody answers, na, in the same time you should be prepared with the question, not after the answer. Very quick, in advance.
So, do you have any opportunity to visit any country, any another country apart from India?
Yeah.
So, which country will you visit first?
Okay.
Will you want to visit?
I want to visit UAE. Basically, I want to visit United Arab Emirates, and in that particular country, I want to visit. You have and I want to see the infrastructure over there. No, that's why I want to visit.
Do you like Janambhoomi temple?
Janambhoomi, I have visited very few times, na, so I don't remember the place.
But you are living in Mathura.
No, I know.
Since 17 years.
Actually, I'm not allowed to go outside as much as the other students get the freedom of at my age, na. So my parents don't allow me to go outside more than that. So because of that,
with the family, you can go.
My father don't have that much of time. That's why I'm unable to go to various places.
Have you not ever gone with your mother?
Means where?
To
At any
Janambhoomi?
particular place? No, I have never been with my mother to Janambhoomi. Not even with my father. I've been there with my brothers and not apart from that. Yeah, one time I've been there with my friend.
So, apart from Janambhoomi, have you ever gone to any another temple?
Like I've told you, I've visited only few temples na in Vrindavan. And in Mathura, I think so that the basic spot in the terms of temple is only Janambhoomi and Dwarkadish, you can see na. So I visited Dwarkadish with my brothers only one time.
Went to Barsana or Govardhan?
No, I've never been to Varsana.
Have you ever visited Chatham?
No. I've not
Because
visited
Vaishno
Varsana.
Devi is included now.
Yeah,
Vaishno Devi is
before I have
included in
visited,
Chatham.
yeah, I know that they have got linked up, but earlier I have visited Vaishno Devi Dham. Like I visited more than 4 to 5 years ago. Before Corona, I visited over there. After that, not visited.
So, at the time of Corona,
Yeah.
did you take online classes or not at the Zoom or any platform?
It depends on my mood basically. So you can say probably that I used to take my online classes like 30%
Okay.
from the 100%, and in case of 70% na, I used to start my online classes and keep my phone on the other side. I'm playing the game.
Yes.
Like that I used to take my online classes.
So, how did you pass in any exam of your? In which class do you read? Did you read at that time?
In Corona time I was in 6th.
So did you?
Yeah,
How-
I've got passed in 6th, 7th, and 8th. 6th, 7th. There is a lockdown of 2 years now, I think so. So I got passed in both classes.
1.5 years.
So it
But
was included.
when
It
the
was
half
included.
when the half 6 month exam, when I was in 8th class, I got passed in 7th, and when I was in 8th, na, our school teacher passed by the half yearly or like that. I didn't go to give exam because the